Lombok Starwell Marngar and Donald V. Thaba were on Saturday re-elected to the Central Executive Committee CEC of the KSU unopposed as President and General Secretary respectively. Biangbor L. Palyar was also re-elected as the Vice President to KSU CEC. A total number of 5,177 KSU members from 551 units had cast their votes on the same day, out of which 373 votes were declared invalid. While declaring the results, KSU Election Committee Chairman Danny Kiriam informed that there were 33 candidates who had contested in the 15th election to the KSU CEC.
Ang mengibonkan hakikam tiba minha ledo bagi masalah ilahbonkan macam senam ban persutia negati berjaya berdia pedai kaji syakoi jong di polisian di bawah syekh paradi ban penbe harpon suap election hau bona haga sni kabani rakhi kan lepo senyap jong pergi wikir ilala ban persutia yang negati ban pensau yang di paradi bagi dan ban clear saksi sian pat yang history jauh kecil penting.